All right, guys, so I'm working on this little bracket here that holds the bumper up. So what I did was, I had the first one off camera, but I opened this tab up with El Screwdriver. And then, it's there, I cut this tab off because it's too thick. So I cut this whole tab off, bended it in. That's it. Slide under. Line it up with the hole. Bada boom. And now I don't have to hold a nut behind there like Mort. And these won't rust because they're painted, hopefully. See? Amazon is the best. That's it. It's tight. I'm gonna go do that on the other side, and then I'm gonna get this bumper on. All right, guys. So I got these things tight. About a knife. This you don't need on here. That's it. All right. Okay. That's it. Yeah, the bumper's a different color than the damn car. That's it, boys. She's back. Back in business. Oh, f that's ugly. That bumper's shit. That's it, boys. 3 years later, and she's all back. Ready. Well, she's gonna go get her tires and the alignment done tomorrow. I'll take you guys along for that, but she's all put back together. Yeah, the bumper's a different color than the rest of the car, but what are you gonna do? This is how I got it, so. Oh, well, that's not tight. Idiots. Okay, I'm gonna tighten down that wiper motor. All right, so guys, I just put the radio I got in from the guy I got parts off with. And look, listen, now we got the chimes and it just says locked. Boys, we're ready. I just got to, I'm gonna put her on the trailer now and take her to my house, and then we're going to my buddy's. See? She chimes. I gotta stop lifting it from the spoiler. It's a Chevy, not a Japanese car. I think I'll probably rip right off. All right, time to see if my brother's clap wagon will start. A little red. Please start. I don't want to jump it. Oh. She's mint. Yeah, she got a little misfire. Burnt up valves. Oh, all right, let's get hooked up to this here unit. All righty. Hey, Oswald again. Pablo Pablito Escobar. What's up? Oh, he's getting something. I think he just ate someone. This guy's nuts. See? Pablito Escobar chasing mice. Alright. Got these off. Oh yeah, bit the big boy with the big ball on her. Yeah, so I made the mistake of towing this trailer with a 2-inch ball. It's actually a 2.5. Don't ask me how I found out, but if you really want to know, I was taking the car off and the trailer hitch, the trailer receiver ended up on my bumper on my truck. Thank God it didn't hit my tailgate and didn't do no damage, because you know we use steel around here at Chevrolet. But that's how I found out that it's a 2.5-inch ball and 5/16. Sorry, 2 and 5/16. Boom. Pablito Escobar. Oh, this battery's dead too. GoPro sucks. See, that one, I've been recording for hours, no problem. This one can't even do 5 minutes, and those batteries are fully charged. That's it. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm a rookie. What do you want? If you got the tech, you might as well use it. Diesel's too expensive to be letting that bad boy run. We're up here at $2.15 a damn liter. For all you Americans up there, that's like, fuck, I don't know. I think that's what, just under, sorry, like $5 a gallon. That's it. Yes, I need to fix the breakaway cable. Got some of these easy clips. Yes, I know, Chinesium. That's it. I'm just kind of guessing. I don't really remember where I had the car last time, but all right. Can bring my truck, my brother's truck here now. I can pull this onto the street. Get this bad boy loaded up. I love this truck. This thing is the best thing since sliced bread. Okay. That's it. Okay, we gotta do the check, make sure she holds. Yep, she's picking up the truck. So I put all my tools on the damn ramps that I need to use. Idiot. You know, I had my doubts when I bought these things. Man, are they good? What is that? That's it. I gotta do it NASCAR style. I think that's about where we want her. How much tongue weight we got? Damn, those are bright. We're at 500, give her a bit more. I love those ramps. Yeah, she doesn't bottom out. I ain't gotta take the damn bumper off. And the damn thing didn't come up and hit my goddamn truck. Alright guys, I'm just filming this on my phone because all my GoPros are not dead. But she's on. She's all strapped down. Shit ain't going nowhere. All good. Go over here. It didn't pop up on me, so we know we're good. My ratchet strap was just long enough to fill over my ramps. Those should stow under here. So there's an area. I just gotta get rid of the old ones first. So yeah, we're gonna take care of that. But she's on there. She's mint. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.